This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make pie out of Play-Doh. First, gather your materials. You'll need a few different Play-Doh colors, a small rolling pin, and a miniature pie dish or a small round container. Pick a light color for your crust and a contrasting color for the filling. Make sure your surface is clean and clear so you can start crafting your delicious-looking Play-Doh pie right away. Now, let's create the perfect crust. Take your chosen crust color and roll it out evenly using your rolling pin. Aim for a thickness of about 1/8 of an inch, making sure it's wide enough to cover your pie dish. Gently press the Play-Doh into the dish, molding it to the shape. Then, trim any extra Play-Doh from the edges to give your pie a clean, professional look. With your crust ready, it's time for the filling. Choose a bright, appealing color for your pie's interior, perhaps a red for cherry or yellow for lemon. Roll this Play-Doh into a ball, then gently flatten it to fit inside your crust. Press it down firmly and smoothly, ensuring it fills the entire crust. You can even add a second, smaller layer for a two-tone effect if you wish. Finally, let's add those finishing touches to make your Play-Doh pie truly special. You can roll out thin strips for a lattice top, or create tiny balls to represent berries. Use small tools to add texture to your filling or crimp the edges of your crust for a realistic look. Get creative and make it your own unique dessert. And hey, if you're looking for a great way to relax after all that crafting, check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other fantastic deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.